First property of sound, that is we have to discuss loudness is what? Loudness, which we can say loudness refers to how loud or soft a sound seems to a listener. So we can say what is the degree of sensation produced in the ear by a sound is called the loudness. So how much the ear can produce a sound through the ear, और वी कैन से कि यू डिस्टिंग्विश, वी कैन से कि आप डिस्टिंग्विश कर सकते हो कि अ लाउड साउंड फ्रॉम ए फीबल साउंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इट्स लाउडनेस. सो वी कैन से loudness of a sound is the characteristics loudness of a sound is the characteristics due to which we are able to distinguish between a loud sound and a weak sound, even it have a same instrument produced by same instrument or the same source. So now some key point related to loudness. The first is that loudness is depend on the intensity, and intensity which is affected to the amplitude of the particles. So we can say loudness is depend on the amplitude, and how it can be dependent by how which type of factor it is dependent. That we can say if we denoted amplitude is a capital A, so we can say loudness is or intensity, we can say intensity because intensity affected the amplitude, and loudness is depend on the intensity, and that is amplitude proportional to the square of the amplitude. So if we say कि if the amplitude of the particle, if amplitude of particle, that means the particle is just vibrated from its mean position, that the distance from the particle, high maximum displacement of the particle from its mean position is called amplitude. You know it. Amplitude would SI unit is meter. Okay, so you know that one is you already we discussed in class many times. So here you should know that is loudness, which is directly depend upon the intensity. What is intensity we will discuss. And intensity which is directly proportional to the amplitude of the sky. Amplitude, that is particle when the waveform of the sound is just like this, then the maximum displacement, that is A. Here I am writing is A. That means if the amplitude is large, if I am writing if amplitude is 2 centimeter, then we will say loudness is 4 depend on the 2 to the 4 centimeter square, like this. And loudness become 4 times, loudness become 4 times of this amplitude. If amplitude become 4 centimeter, then loudness become 4 the 16 decibel, because we know that SI unit of loudness is decibel, that is dB. You should remember dB is the SI unit of loudness. So you may say loudness is directly proportional to the square of the amplitude. SI unit of loudness is dB, that is also known as decibel. Hence we can say it is observed that greater the amplitude, louder is the sound produced. And when you whisper, you use when you whispering something, that means you are using a very less amount of energy, and amplitude of vibration is also very small, that is weak sound is produces. And when you shout, you use more energy, and amplitude of vibration of your vocal cord is large, due to which a loud sound is produced. Second key point, that is loudness. Loudness depends on the distance between the source of sound and the listener. Between the source of sound, consider it is one is a source of sound, that one is your listener. If the distance is become large, अगर ये distance बढ़ती जाए, you will say this sound become fainter. That means we can say a sound wave spread out from its source in all direction. Its wave is spread out in all direction as it moves away from the source. जैसे जैसे move होता जाएगा, source से दूर होता जाएगा, its amplitude and consequently loudness will be डिक्रीज. इसका एम्पलीट्यूड कम होता जाएगा, क्योंकि दूर होगा, अपनी एनर्जी ट्रांसफर करेगा, हर एक पार्टिकल कम होता जाएगा, एम्पलीट्यूड कम हो जाएगा, वाइब्रेशन विल बी गेट डाउन ड्यू टू द एम्पलीट्यूड बिकम डिक्रीजेस, एंड दैट्स वी कैन से loudness become decreases as the distance of the source of sound and the listener increases. Third property is that of loudness. Loudness depend on the surface area of vibrating object. That means where we are producing a loudness from which source. If the surface area is large, then the sound become. Then the how the loudness depend. Then the if area is large, we can say larger the surface area of. If the surface area is larger, if the surface area of the vibrating object, louder sound is produced. Sound will be louder sound will be produced, louder. Okay. And if the, so we can say large size drum होते हैं जो produce करते हैं large sound, that means large size जो drum produces a louder sound and then a small size drum. अगर दो ड्रम है, अगर एक बड़ा ड्रम है एक छोटा ड्रम है, तो bigger one will be produces more louder as compared to small one, because surface area is also depend on the loudness. Yeah, we can say, sorry, loudness is also depend on the surface area of vibrating object. Next, fourth point is that loudness is also depends on the sensitivity of the listener. That means, you know, that sensitivity of the listeners, if ear is high, the loud, if we produce a small sound, it behave as a, it for that kind of people, that sound is he feel that is loud sound. If the sensitivity is low, then we can say if even the loud sound is produces, they just like a weak sound is produces. It seems for that kind of people, seems that is a weak sound is produces. Okay. So here we can say, you know, that ki a particular sound may appear to be quite loud to one person but not so loud to another person. It varies. Loudness is varies for different people. Maybe if you produce a sound that for me it can be a loud, for but other it can be just a normal sound. Okay. So it is depend on the sensitivity of the ear. So we can say ki as the we get grow old, when we just जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते जाते हैं, ग्रो करते जाते हैं, हमारी जो साउंड की, हमारी जो ईयर की सेंसिटिविटी होती है वो कम होती जाती है एडवांस से, जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते जाते हैं. ठीक है. सो इट इज़ ड्यू टू दिस रीज़न वी कैन से दैट ओल्डर पर्सन आर हार्ड ऑफ हेयरिंग. उनको सुनने में थोड़ी दिक्कत आने लगती है, जबकि हम बहुत तेज़ बोलें फिर भी उनके लिए वो क्या रहेगा, मतलब नॉर्मल साउंड रहेगा. दे आर अनेबल टू लिसन. ओके.